Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use fat burner. First, always read the product label carefully for specific instructions on your chosen supplement. It is crucial to understand that these are supplements, not a magic pill for weight loss. They work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it is safe for you. For optimal results, begin with the lowest recommended dose to assess your body's tolerance. This helps prevent potential side effects. Many fat burners contain stimulants, so taking them with food can help minimize stomach discomfort. It's also wise to avoid taking stimulant-based products too close to bedtime, typically within 4 to 6 hours, to ensure your sleep quality isn't negatively impacted. To truly maximize the effectiveness of fat burners, integrate them into a comprehensive lifestyle plan. This means combining them with a balanced, calorie-controlled diet rich in whole foods. Regular physical activity, including both cardiovascular exercise and strength training, is also essential. Remember, adequate sleep and effective stress management play a significant role in your body's ability to burn fat and achieve your goals. Always stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially when using stimulant-based supplements. Pay close attention to your body's response. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a doctor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This smart device can truly simplify your home cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.